Hello viewers, are you looking for the best 4000 front and rear dashcam 2024 with night vision? Here are my full reviews of the best 4000 front and rear dashcam 2024 with night vision. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Dashcam 4K dual dashcam with 4 LCD 2160p front 1080p rear camera, IMX335 chips, 170 deg wide angle, Wi-Fi, GPS, HDR, night vision X9s. Experience the ultimate in driving security with the Dashcam 4K dual dashcam X9s, featuring a stunning 2160p front camera and 1080p rear camera. This dashcam captures every detail in crystal clear quality. Powered by advanced IMX335 chips, the DS-X9s delivers exceptional performance, ensuring sharp and vivid footage. The 170 deg wide-angle lens provides comprehensive coverage, minimizing blind spots. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, you can easily view and manage your recordings on your smartphone while tracking your route and speed. The high dynamic range HDR technology and superior night vision ensure clear recordings even in low light conditions. The sleek 4 LCD screen offers convenient playback and settings adjustments. Protect yourself on the road with the reliable and feature-packed Dashcam 4K dual dashcam X9s. Number 2. Dashcam front and rear 4K 2K Full HD dash camera for cars, built-in Wi-Fi GPS, free 64GB SD card, 170 deg wide-angle dashboard camera recorder, night vision. Capture every moment on the road with the 4K 2K Full HD dashcam front and rear. Featuring a crystal clear 4K front camera and a 2K rear camera, this dashcam ensures top-notch video quality. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, you can easily view and manage recordings on your smartphone while tracking your route and speed. The 170 deg wide-angle lens provides comprehensive coverage, reducing blind spots. Enhanced night vision guarantees clear footage even in low light conditions. Included in the package is a free 64GB SD card, offering ample storage for your recordings. Drive with confidence knowing every detail is recorded, day or night, with this reliable dashboard camera. Number 3. Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel 4K Wi-Fi dashcam, STARVIS 2i MX678 night vision, 4K 1080p front, inside, and rear triple car camera, voice control, GPS, 4K HDR. The Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel 4K Wi-Fi dashcam is a top-tier choice for comprehensive vehicle monitoring. Featuring STARVIS 2i MX678 night vision, it ensures crystal clear video even in low light conditions. This dashcam records in 4K front, 1080p inside, and 1080p rear, offering complete coverage. With integrated voice control and GPS, you can operate the camera hands-free and track your route seamlessly. The 4K HDR technology enhances video quality, capturing every detail with precision. Ideal for drivers seeking reliable, high-resolution footage, the Vantrue N4 Pro is perfect for ensuring safety and documenting incidents on the road. Number 4. AZDOME M554K Wi-Fi 3-channel on dashcam, dual front and rear for car, 4K 1080p free 64GB card, built-in GPS 24H parking mode, Iron Night Vision WDR 3.19. Capture every moment on the road with the AZDOME M554K Wi-Fi 3-channel on dashcam. This powerful device records in stunning 4K 1080p resolution for both front and rear views, ensuring crystal clear footage. Equipped with a free 64GB card, it offers ample storage for all your journeys. The built-in GPS accurately tracks your route, while the 24-hour parking mode provides continuous protection. Iron Night Vision and wide dynamic range WDR technology guarantee sharp, detailed video even in low light conditions. With its 3.19 display, reviewing footage is quick and easy. Enhance your driving security with the AZDOME M550, the ultimate dashcam for any vehicle. Number 5. Dashcam, 3-channel dashcam, 1080p dashcam front and inside, triple dashcam, dash camera with 32GB card, HDR, G-sensor, 24HR parking, front rear dashcam. Experience comprehensive vehicle protection with our 3-channel dashcam. This 1080p dashcam covers front, inside, and rear views, ensuring you capture every angle. Equipped with HDR technology, it delivers crystal clear footage day and night. The G-sensor automatically detects and records sudden impacts, safeguarding crucial evidence. Our dashcam includes a 32GB card ready for use right out of the box. The 24-hour parking mode provides round-the-clock surveillance, keeping your car secure even when parked. Ideal for ride-sharing drivers, families, and anyone seeking enhanced security, our triple dashcam is your ultimate driving companion. Enjoy peace of mind with this reliable, high-quality dash camera system.